Welcome to Market Peeker. Ready to dive into the basics of crypto transactions? Whether you're sending Bitcoin or receiving Ethereum, it's easier than you think. Let's break it down step by step. To send cryptocurrency, you'll need a wallet. Open your wallet app, select the crypto you want to send, and enter the recipient's public address. Think of it as their digital bank account. Double-check the address. Even one wrong character can send your funds to the wrong place. Next, specify the amount, set your gas or transaction fee if needed, and confirm the transaction. Done. Receiving is even simpler. Share your public wallet address with the sender. Once they complete the transaction, you'll see the funds in your wallet after network confirmation. Remember, never share your private keys. They're like your wallet's password, and losing them means losing your funds. A quick tip: always test with a small amount first, especially when sending large sums. This ensures everything is set up correctly and avoids costly mistakes. Now let's talk about crypto networks. Each cryptocurrency operates on a specific network, like Bitcoin on its blockchain or Ethereum on the Ethereum network. Always ensure you're using the correct network. Sending funds via an incompatible one could result in loss. Some transactions also need a memo or tag, especially when sending to exchanges. This unique identifier ensures your funds are credited to the right account. Forgetting it could lead to delays or loss, so always double-check if a memo is required.